Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the primary product and why it matters: protein per serving, cost, and allergies. Measure realistic servings. Powders give concentrated grams quickly while soya chunks expand and fill you. Once done, test one serving for taste and satiety. Make sure to note digestion and energy after 2-4 hours. This first step sets your baseline for later comparisons, so record portions, macros, and any stomach responses before moving to preparation and longer-term use. You now execute preparation while observing differences that affect results. Mix the powder thoroughly for a smooth texture. Blend with milk for extra calories or water for low calorie. Rehydrate soya chunks, squeeze out excess water, and cook them into a dish so flavors penetrate. Pay attention to bioavailability and how quickly each satisfies hunger. Powders absorb faster. Soya provides chewing that can reduce intake. As you do this, log how each integrates into meals and how easy they are to scale across a week. You finish by locking in a routine. Assign powder or soya to specific meals based on convenience and goals, and adjust serving size to hit your daily protein target. Calculate cost per gram and choose bulk storage or rotating flavors. If issues arise, like bloating from soy or chalky taste from a powder, try different liquids, add fruit, or reduce dose and spread intake. One key troubleshooting tip: if digestion is poor, switch timing or form. Splitting doses often resolves discomfort quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.